Bulawanakabe, everyone. My name is Tony Craig. I'm the facilitator for this second workshop held by World Wildlife Fund for Fiji, WWF. The workshop's focus is on improving transparency in fisheries across Fiji, and these workshops are around helping local people understand what's occurring internationally, the best practices, what some of the transparency are doing, and to better understand what that might mean for Fiji and how it might adopt or adjust systems and processes and legislative frameworks to enable it to be seen to be meeting.
It is good that we've gone into this space discussing transparency in fisheries. I see the workshop as an important forum where there will be collaborations with partners, with those that are involved in the fishery space, particularly our stakeholders. Because I think without them, a lot of the work that we do in the fisheries would not be successful.
So at the workshop, we've got representatives from the Ministry of Fisheries, government agencies, fishing industry, NGOs. So everyone's getting a chance to have input into the nature and extent of discussions and the potential way forward. One of the big challenges is going to be, as with all things like this, there's a cost to implementing transparency. Your data needs, your data management needs, your reporting needs, and the big question is who needs to bear that cost, or who should bear that cost, and I think that's part of that working group's role, is to set the rules in place around how the development framework and the cost of that development should move forward.
For 3 days, we discussed a lot of the options for different frameworks, different tools, identified gaps and potential opportunities in this space, and created sort of a task list of some of the important things that need to be addressed before we can move forward, key priorities, what each of our different stakeholders present felt was most important to them, and what they ultimately wanted to get out of it. Some of our first action items seem to be getting the momentum started with a working group, identifying key leadership, and motivating political will.